Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Robinhood account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Robinhood bank transfer history? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want your Robinhood bank transfer history anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're trading on Robinhood, sometimes you want to know when you transferred money out of your Robinhood, maybe a large deposit into your Robinhood. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Robinhood dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Robinhood, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get your transfer history in and out of your Robinhood account, here on the top right, you're going to click on account. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down menu, and there's actually two different ways you can do this. So the first and easiest way is click here on transfers. Looks like a bank icon. Once you do that, you're going to see this page right here, so you can transfer money into your Robinhood or out of it. But to see your transfer history, you're going to scroll down until you see the section completed transfer. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the transfers that happen between your Robinhood and your bank account. So you can see here on the left, this was a withdrawal from individual. Individual is basically your Robinhood to my checking account. Now this right here was a deposit to my individual Robinhood account. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to find your bank transfer history for your Robinhood account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.